Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. This is a 2011 Ford F-150. I'm going to show you how to replace a broken rear door handle. Rear door panel, we're going to start by removing this panel back in here. Pull the handle out and put a 90-degree pick back inside. Get it locked in and pull. Now we're going to pull the panel off up here. There's two clips, one down here, one up here. Insert the tool and pry. This is the right tool to use. These red trim tools are available at oneauto.com. There are 4 bolts that hold the panel on, an 8mm bolt here and 3 6mm bolts. And we'll remove those using a socket, ratchet, and extension. All right, your 90-degree pick again, you're going to pull this panel up right in the corner. Work it underneath. Make sure you get a good bite and pull straight up. And then pull up and go to the front. Same thing, straight up. Disconnect the switch by pressing the tab here. And now the panel will lift up and come away. And small flat blade screwdriver. There are 2 tabs on the cable. All right, once you release those 2 tabs, twist the cable around and bring it up and out. And to get this out of the door panel, what I like to do is twist it until the tabs are up and down, and then it's pretty easy to pry up, and you lift up to release that back tab, and then you push down on the top tab and push it out. Your broken door handle comes out pretty easy. There's just 2 tabs right here. Push on the 2 tabs to release the handle, and it comes right out. New handle from 1A Auto. We'll remove the foil after we install it, but it's exactly like the original door handle. Spring still in place. It's gonna go in just like the original. And then to put the new handle in, just look it into place. Put the back in first, and then snap the front in. All right, door panel back on. Just take your 3 clips at the bottom and kind of put the panel in place. And it just rests there. And then take the cable, put it into the handle. Just kind of wants to be sideways. Make sure it's up and down. Twist it, pull, and then push the green clip back in place. Make sure this wire comes up through. Okay, probably the hardest part is just making sure that your door lock comes up through the hole. So push this into place. Then lift up, kind of feel your door lock into place, and then push it against the door, slide it down, make sure it's nice and tight against the door. Okay, and now we can reinstall the 4 mounting bolts. Thread in the 8mm, and then thread in the 3 6mm. Okay, and now put your 3 trim panels back in place. Your window switch, make sure these clips are still in place. If they're stuck in the door, you can push them down through and recover them and slip them back onto the bezel. Reconnect our switch, push it down in place. This panel, beveled edge goes to the back. Put it in, press it till it clicks, and then this top panel, curved edge goes on the top. And just make sure these clips are still on it, and they go right in the slots on the door. and you're all set. Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.